Today's tutorial is going to be on how to add text to an embroidery design. So let's get started. I'm using the Baby Lockout here. This will be very similar to any Brother machine and some of the other combo sewing and embroidery machines. So we're going to go ahead and pick embroidery. And we're going to go over to Kids Corner. And we're going to pick this little pony right here. And we're going to go ahead and hit set. Alright, at this point we're going to come up and we're going to go to Edit. And we're going to add. See down here it says add, add. So it wants to know what we're going to add. We can add a variety of things from shapes to different things like this. But we're going to add text today. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick this one right here. And then I'm going to use the capital. I'm going to put Amy. We'll A, and then I'm going to use lower caps, M and Y. Alright, we're going to hit set. Alright, now notice it puts it right in the middle there. So what we want to do is we want to go up to Edit. We're going to go Move. And at this point we're just going to drag this up to wherever we'd like to have it. Let's put it about right there. Looks good to me. We can also use this to kind of move it a little bit here and there if you don't want to drag it with a pointer or with a mouse. Click OK when you're done. If you don't like that color, of course it's just a visual, so as you're embroidering you can put any color thread in there. You don't have to go by what this says, but for visual effects we're going to go to color and we're going to go ahead and let's pick another color. That looks great right there, so we're going to go alright. So what if we want to add a last name? So what we're going to do is we'll go add again, and we're going to go up to text, and we'll pick that same text, and we're going to give a, let's say, last name, capital S, and we'll go lowercase here, C-O-T-T, that sounds good, and we'll set that again, and again notice it shows up in the middle there, so we'll go up to Edit and Move. And we'll drag that down to where we'd like to have it. Click OK. We're going to go to our color again. And we will pick that pink to match. And we set OK. And looky there, that looks pretty good. Now we can do a couple other things here if we wanted to. We could size this up a little bit. So we could hit size and we could stretch the words out a little bit further like that. A little bit easier to read. And we click OK when we're done. We do the same for up here if we'd like. Size. Click OK. And now that we're satisfied with our design, we'll go ahead and hit embroidery. And it's ready to go. So I hope that explains that process to you. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Until then, I'll catch you later, my hoopin' buddies.